So in today's video, this is what you'll be learning how to make this 3-day elegant applique. As you can see here, this project was actually done by Vicky James, and I thought there was a need for every fashion designer to know. And these are the materials I used. So let's dive right into it. You need your soldering iron, you need your lasers, especially when it comes into these patterns like these floral lasers. You would need something like that in order to achieve it. But if you don't want to, if you don't have the floral lace, you can still actually get your pattern on a paper and then paste it on your organza to cut it. But with this, you might cut it either 2 or 3 times so that it would be quite stronger. But because this one, the lace actually came in the floral kind of setting, there is no need for me to get an extra organza. I just need a organza that will cover up the metal I'm going to be using for the end. So that is it. So this is it. You use your soldering iron to melt out your organza from the organza fabric, right? Soldering iron is extremely hot, so you should be taking that into consideration and not to get yourself hit in the process of it. So this is the time where you would actually add your hemming stiff to your lace. You would have to attach your organza to your lace, so there is a need for you to actually use your hemming stiff. You can decide to use glue gun, but hemming stiff is what I use for this process. So you can actually attach it. The moment you apply heat on the hemming stiff, it just melts, right? It just melts out, so it just works, it functions just like your glue. So it is better. You can also use that as in substitute of your glue gun if you don't have it. So here I actually put the metallic wire inside it so that it could just get that firmness, or it could just stand. That is the reason why you see that wire, metallic wire there, not a nature's wire, but scientific metallic wire would be the best option. So you actually apply you put your hemming stiff in between your organza and your 3D lace, right? Or your applique you've cut out, and then you apply the heat on it with your iron, and then it just melts together like that. Okay, so that is how it was done. So you can actually add them together like this to actually get any other pattern you would like to get. You see how it is going? Yeah, please kindly stay tuned and watch the whole video for more understanding. So dearly stay back and then watch the whole video and how everything played out. I think the materials were the most thing that I needed to talk about, which was our hemming stiff. You need an organza for actually cleaning up the mess of the lace and the wire. So you need any lace of your choice. You can either decide to use either organza, cut it into 3 or just 2 to just have a very nice classic effect. So let's just stay back and enjoy this video.